Hey, y'all. Let's let me go. Let's get these out of here. Hey, y'all. Ring is slide. I'm not taking any reversals. Some of them were stuck over there. 5 change. Some type of transition. 8, because somebody was imbalanced. 7, 2, 6. That's 5. 1, a new beginning. Welcome to total eclipse of the heart. You see them falling out? Where it's always about love, money, karma, or greed. Kerosene. Aggressive. Somebody want to argue with you or fight with you. They're very aggressive. They've been watching out. You need to watch out for something dangerous coming towards you, collective. Dear John, this is a letter. Rejection. Cold-hearted truth. A breakup. This is an ex. They're very dangerous. They can't get over the fact that you haven't chased them. Water carrying. Humanitarian. Generosity. You're balanced. You're calm. You cut off communication. And somebody's determined to reach out to you. Diamond. This is forced. This is created through force. Faithfulness, though. Value, very high value. Brilliant, I heard. Some type of purity. Old car on kerosene. Somebody's weary, exhausted. Old habits die hard, I heard. Universe. This is source. Unending, enduring, eternal love. But old habits die hard for this person. And they're very aggressive. If they haven't been aggressive to you, they have been masking themselves from you. Because this person is very aggressive that I'm looking at. A shooting star. Shooting star. 7 and 8. 7, 8. This is a Taurus out here. Pisces. Double Taurus is out here. I see Scorpio. The shooting star is like quick action. They got some type of passionate, quick action. Because they have some undying desire. But it's exhausting. Because they can't retire something old, something older, something This is a conversation right here. Traveling, communication, rainbow, telephone, the connection. It feel like you're moving on from a connection. I heard serendipity. Patience pays off. Your patience will pay off, collective. You're going to be able to see something clearly once this rain is gone. I just heard that song. What is that? I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Mother load. These are supposed to be here. Just the mother load. Prosperity, jackpot, success, good fortune is heading towards you. This is sudden wealth, like on Easy Street. A person of water. And right here, generosity, balance, being noble is going to bring some type of prosperity. And then the person of water is emotional, idealist, empath, taking things very personal. Okay. A family, loyalty, faithful. Now, faithful twice. This is confirmation on a diamond. Somebody is ready to show some type of affection. This is an empath. This person blocks the fact that they're empath. They don't want to be an empath. They're violent, though. They're aggressive. But they feel like you are like the real deal. You're the real deal, collective. And it's like somebody wants to take advantage of something. I feel like somebody wants to take advantage. Thank you. Happening now. The situation or event that you question is going to happen. Whatever is on your mind and you question it, it's going to happen. And it's with this lover. So if you are separated and you want to know if they're thinking about you, they are. If you are separated and you want to know, are they trying to reach you? They are. They've been asking people about you. They still want to be in this relationship, but something toxic is here. And old habits die hard. And I feel like this person is very aggressive. They're very angry. They're angry about the fact that you haven't contacted them. They're angry about the fact that you're going to prosper or you are prospering without them. Two worry beads and emerald is out here. Tools. Some kind of ability, some type of resources, worry beads, fear, anxiety. It's passing time. Time is passing away. It's causing some type of fear. They want you to act. They're waiting for you. Healing. It's like you're healing. You going through the heartache and the pain and you're healing. You're at peace though. It's like you just have memories of the past and you wish things could be different, but this person is angry that you have not returned. This person is very aggressive about the situation, that the separation. They figured that you should be calling or coming to them. You should be fighting for this love. Just like they feel like you have moved on, or you feel like they have moved on. Take it how it resonates. You feel like they should be fighting for this love, or they They should be communicating with you. But some old this old car keep binging. And I feel like old habits die hard. Somebody thinking about the good old days, how sturdy things used to be, how reliable, how, but this is their in their emotions. And this is triggering to them. Kerosene. This ain't a fire, like this is igniting some danger here. Kerosene? 50-50. At this time, things could go either way. A ostrich trap and symphony. Symphony. This energy is very harmonious. This is almost like the collaboration should have been teamwork. It should have been 50-50. It should have been equal give and take. But somebody, it has some kind of avoidance here. Closed-minded, maybe. They are stuck in their old habits, stuck in their old ways, refuse to face reality. This is a conspiracy theory in their mind. Somebody has a conspiracy theory. It's like, I'm going to leave before they leave, or I'm not going to let them get the best of me, or I'm not going to show if they don't show, or I'm not going to tell if they don't tell. This craziness. Hold on. You can't play with love. You cannot. If it's real, do everything in your heart, in your mind, in your body, in your spirit to keep it. You have to nourish it like a flower planted in a garden. You got the soil. It's in the soil. You see it sprouting. You feel it. You look at it, and you don't work. You don't nurture it. You don't water it. You don't. Chess. Didn't I tell you this person is playing chess? This is some type of strategic, grand design. Thinking of ahead. Someone was thinking of ahead of, but this thought is a conspiracy theory. I already told you this. They think it's a power play. They really think it's a power play. I'm going to figure out how to get your queen. In the chess, that's the game. But this is real love. This is not a game. And you didn't nurture the flower, and you thinking 2 steps ahead on a conspiracy theory. That's why you are angry. That's why this person is angry. That's why kerosene came out. And the answer is yes. The answer is yes, collective. Ooh, what is this card doing here? This don't even belong here. Soulmates. What? I can't make it up. The answer is yes, and this is your soulmate. That's the read. On the bottom of the deck is dice. Take the risk. Take the leap of faith. Go back and get your boo. Go get back and get your love. Go back and get your soulmate. Don't let this be a missed opportunity just because you're waiting for them. You can initiate it. People think that women can't initiate. Yes, they can. I wouldn't initiate a marriage now. That I would not do. But I would initiate a connection. A phone call. A text. An email. And make it a date. Create a meeting. Create a meeting so y'all can meet. Initiate the communication. Because this is your soulmate. That's the read. Like, share, and boop, boop, boop. Subscribe. Leave a comment. And I hope this helps. But I don't know how you can see it. I got it. Hold on. Hold on. I hope this helps.